If a Lambo is what you want, and when you try to visualize a Lambo, and if you're unable to do that, you need to go to the Lamborghini dealership. The problem is you are very familiar with the current life that you currently have, like your bills, your issues, your problems, your challenges, where you live, with the car that you currently drive. If you want to enter new images in the mind can be altered through repetition. Go to the Lamborghini dealership. You don't have to have any money to go to the Lambo dealership, because you need to be able to see what you want. You need to be able to feel it. You need to be able to hear it. And you need to be able to really consume yourself with the experience. It's very important if you want to visualize and manifest what you want.